Hey everyone, welcome back to Venta. Today we're diving into something exciting and practical at the same time. The 2026 Toyota camper van. A vehicle designed for adventure lovers, road trippers, and anyone who wants the freedom to travel with comfort and confidence. Toyota has taken its long-standing reputation for reliability and combined it with smart camper-focused upgrades to create a van that feels ready for both city cruising and off-grid exploration. Starting with the design, the 2026 Toyota camper van has a clean, modern look that balances rugged capability with everyday usability. The exterior features a boxy yet aerodynamic shape that maximizes interior space while still looking stylish on the road. LED headlights and taillights give it a sharp, modern appearance, while the elevated ride height and reinforced body panels hint at its adventure-ready nature. Toyota has also added practical design touches like wide-opening sliding doors, a rear tailgate designed for easy loading, and optional roof-mounted accessories such as solar panels, roof racks, and awnings. Everything about the exterior feels purposeful, built not just to look good but to support life on the move. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota camper van focuses on smooth, dependable driving rather than outright speed. It's expected to come with a fuel-efficient yet capable engine, possibly paired with a hybrid option, making long journeys more economical and environmentally friendly. The power delivery is tuned for carrying extra weight from camping equipment without feeling sluggish, and the suspension is designed to handle uneven roads with ease. Whether you're cruising on the highway, navigating mountain roads, or driving through a campsite, the van feels stable and confident. Toyota's advanced safety systems also play a big role in performance, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking to reduce fatigue on long drives. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Toyota camper van truly shines. The interior is thoughtfully designed to make the most of every inch of space. High-quality materials, durable upholstery, and easy-to-clean surfaces make it perfect for both daily use and outdoor adventures. The seating layout is flexible, allowing seats to fold, slide, or be removed to create sleeping or storage space. The driving position is comfortable and upright, with excellent visibility all around. Up front, you'll find a modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice control, ensuring you stay connected no matter where the road takes you. Moving deeper into the camper setup, the van offers a compact yet functional living area. There's a fold-out bed that comfortably sleeps two adults, cleverly designed to transform from seating during the day to a sleeping space at night. A small kitchenette includes a sink, portable stove, storage cabinets, and space for a compact fridge. Overhead storage and hidden compartments help keep your gear organized, while built-in lighting creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere after sunset. Ventilation and insulation are well thought out, making the interior comfortable in different climates. One of the most unique features of the 2026 Toyota camper van is how customizable it is. Toyota understands that every traveler is different, so the van offers multiple configurations and optional packages. You can choose off-road enhancements, extended battery systems, solar power integration, or even smart energy management systems that allow you to power devices while camping off-grid. The van also includes multiple charging ports, USB outlets, and power sockets, making it easy to run laptops, cameras, or cooking equipment. Practical details like water storage, waste management solutions, and fold-away tables add to the overall convenience. Overall, the 2026 Toyota camper van feels like a perfect blend of comfort, reliability, and adventure-ready design. It's built for people who want the freedom to explore without sacrificing modern features or peace of mind. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or long cross-country journeys, this camper van offers a dependable companion that adapts to your lifestyle and travel dreams. Thanks for watching.